Hello viewers, welcome to the channel.
First, let's see what we are going to build today. We are going to build a script which can open the start menu automatically. Then it will search for MS Word and open the MS Word. Then it will close this activation pop-up automatically. Then it will start typing anything we want. But as you are seeing, I have done some mistake while I was typing, and also my typing was very slow. So I can't prank my friends or boss with this typing speed. So I am going to build a Python script which can simulate my typing, and I can also control the typing speed from the script. Before going to code, I want to request you to share the video and like the video, and also subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. You guys are watching my videos, 95% of the people are not subscribing to the channel. It is really very much painful for any creator. If you guys subscribe to the channel, then it will encourage me to deliver good content day by day. Okay, let's get started with our PyCharm. Then create a new project from pure Python. I am going to do with Python series, and here is already a project called free traffic. If you didn't see our first video of this series, you can check this at the I button and also at the description. Now we are going to create a new folder here. We will call it type speed. Okay, now select the type speed folder and click OK and click create. We are creating a project named type speed. Give some time to create the project and make everything ready for us. Now clear the page and start our code. Automate anything using Python, we will need some third-party package. In this case, I am using PyAutoGUI, so I am calling my ppanty to install PyAutoGUI package. So it is downloading and installing the package, and it is done. So I can now import PyAutoGUI as my auntie. I can now call my auntie to do something. I can do anything here. So now think logically, what will we have to do first? To find the MS Word, we have to go to our start menu first. To go to the start menu in Windows, you can simply press the Windows button. To press the Windows button with PyAutoGUI, we need to call our auntie to press a button, and we have to define the Windows button. We have called our auntie to press the Windows button. Then we want to wait for a second so that the start menu fully appear. Okay, to wait for some second, you already know that we will need a package called time. Then we can use time package to call the sleep method, and we will wait for 1 second. Now we can tell our auntie to typewrite anything in the start menu. So we will type MSW. We are not typing the whole word, we are just typing the short word here. It is enough to find the MS Word. And then we are telling our auntie to press another key, that is enter. That means whenever the MS Word application will be found, our auntie will press enter and the MS Word application will be opened. But to appear the activation wizard, if you did not activate the MS Office, you will get this wizard. So to close this, we have to wait for a second or two. I am waiting for 2 seconds, and then I am telling my auntie to press enter again, so the pop-up will be closed. Now our MS Word is ready to type anything. So I'm going to copy some text from internet, from lorem ipsum. Okay, I am generating 120 words. I am copying the words into a text variable. Now what will we do? We will tell our entity to typewrite the text into our MS Word, and we can now define the interval of that typewrite. That means we can define the type speed here. So if I want to make it very fast, we can set something like 0.05, which will be really very fast. To simulate it more realistic, we can increase this one like 0.09. This means it will wait for 0.09 second between every letter. Now I think it's ready for testing, so I am pressing the play button here. It is open automatically and everything is ready. Now the typing is started, and as you are seeing, the typing is without any mistake and very much fast. So you can now easily prank with your friends or boss with this simple script. Even you can write your important text without even typing those into MS Word. Assume that you have a PDF file or any other file where there are some text and you need to type those text into MS Word. So you can simply do it using Python. Now to do it using Python, you will need to convert that PDF text into a normal string. How to do that? If you have any confusion or if you want to know that, just comment down below. I will release a video with that. Let's wait for our script to finish the text. And it's finished. Okay, now it's done, and there is only 10 lines, so you can just write 10 lines of Python code to automate your computer and typing speed. You can even customize your typing speed by increasing or decreasing this value. So it's really so simple. If you want more interesting Python videos, and also if you want to learn web design development, and in future if you want to learn game development, then please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification, and again please like and share the video to everyone. Thank you very much. Stay well, stay cool.